Hey friends, if you wish to turn off welcome experience for all users in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure and I'll tell you later why it's important, but first I'll guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and find notifications. Click on that and then scroll down and expand additional settings. You'll find this option here which says show the Windows welcome experience after updates when signed in to show what's new and suggested. Turn this off. That's it. You are done. But why are we turning it off at the first place? Just because it's irritating. Okay, it will, in that case it will need a long time to reset the system and all, and most people do not find it useful. Why? Because most of these settings can be changed after logging into the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.